Hello and welcome. I'm a hotel AI expert, and it's a real pleasure to welcome all of you from the Europe Hotel School to your online learning journey. You know, when you think of a five-star hotel, you probably picture a smiling concierge or a perfectly made bed. But behind the scenes, there's this quiet revolution happening, and it's all powered by AI. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and explore how artificial intelligence isn't just changing hotel operations. It's completely redefining what hospitality even means in this day and age. Now, this program is designed specifically for hospitality students and professionals just like you, people who want to build strong, practical knowledge that's really aligned with how modern hotels operate. We're going to look at how this technology is creating a whole new kind of service experience, one that moves away from just gut feeling and towards data-driven precision. And listen, this isn't just about being more efficient, it's about using AI to elevate the very human art of making someone feel truly welcome. All right, so here's how we're going to break it all down today. First up, we'll talk about the new service language. Then we'll dive into the AI-driven ecosystem, what that actually is. After that, we'll look at training at high speed. And finally, we'll cover your future-ready skills, the stuff that's really going to matter for your careers. Sound good? Let's jump in. Okay, Section 1, the new service language. We're asking the big question here. Why is hospitality training changing so much? You know, for centuries, great hospitality was really an art form, wasn't it? It was all based on intuition. But today, that art is being blended with a new kind of science, and it's completely changing how we deliver excellence. And at the heart of this change is one single, powerful idea: data is the new language of service. Now, let's be clear. This is not about replacing that amazing human intuition. It's about supercharging it. Think of it like this. A great host can read a room, right? But a data-informed host, well, they know what the people in that room are going to want before they even walk in. It's a huge shift from being reactive to being predictive. So I know what you might be thinking. The fear is always that technology is going to come in and replace the human touch. But what's really happening here is the exact opposite. The whole goal is to use the precision of digital intelligence to handle all those routine, mundane tasks. Why? To free up staff to focus on what we, humans, do best, creating those genuine, warm connections and truly memorable experiences. Okay, so that brings us to our next section, the AI-driven ecosystem. What is this new model? I mean, how does this all actually connect and work day to day in a busy hotel? Let's find out. Well, in a nutshell, you can think of the AI ecosystem as the hotel's central nervous system. Seriously. It's this incredible support structure that's constantly analyzing data and handling routine processes behind the scenes. And again, the goal isn't just automation for automation's sake. It's about freeing up the staff to be more human, so they can focus on creating those amazing, special moments that, let's face it, a machine could never, ever replicate. And believe me, this ecosystem absolutely transforms staff training. Think about the old way, right? You'd pull everyone into a stuffy conference room for a one-size-fits-all workshop, and most of it was probably forgotten by the next morning. The new method? It's all about continuous, relevant growth. Learning is now personalized, and it's delivered exactly when and where it's needed most. So you might be asking, okay, but how does it actually work? Well, it's pretty clever. First, the system gathers data from everywhere. We're talking the property management system, online reviews, direct guest feedback, you name it. Then the AI gets to work, sifting through all that information to find patterns. For example, maybe it notices that guests are always complaining about slow check-ins on Tuesday afternoons. Instead of the management team just guessing what the problem is, the AI pinpoints the exact issue. And boom, that allows for super targeted, effective training to fix it. Right, so onto our third section, training at high speed. Now, all of this sounds fantastic in theory, doesn't it? But you've got to be wondering, how on earth can a busy hotel create personalized training modules that quickly? Well, the answer lies in a whole new generation of AI tools that are designed to do exactly that. And that answer is generative AI. We're seeing these amazing platforms emerge, like Coursebox.ai, that are built for this very purpose. They literally allow hotel managers to create professional, super targeted training content in, well, almost instantly. The process itself is it's incredible. It's so simple. A manager just uploads some existing hotel documents, let's say the Manual on Service Standards. Then they just enter a specific prompt. That's it. The AI takes all that info and drafts a full interactive course in a matter of minutes. And the best part? It can be distributed instantly to the entire staff's devices. So let's take a real-world example. Imagine a hotel needs to roll out a brand new luxury check-in procedure. In the past, that would mean weeks, maybe even months of planning, writing manuals, and scheduling training sessions. Now, the manager can literally just type a prompt like, create a 5-step training module for luxury check-in procedures, and the AI builds a custom course right there on the spot. I mean, that is a massive, massive leap in agility. Okay, let's bring this all home. Section 4 is all about your future-ready skills. We've talked about the tech, the data, the tools, but the big question is, so what? What does all this actually mean for you and your career? What are the skills that will make you most valuable in this new era of hospitality? Honestly, the benefits for your career are just huge. First, you become an incredibly agile learner. You can adapt to new standards instantly. You'll always be ahead of the curve on guest preferences because your training is constantly updated in real time. This gives you a serious competitive edge, helping you master the skills that truly set you apart. You'll be able to perform at your absolute peak, all because you're guided by these smart, data-driven insights. And this really ties back to our core mission here at Europe Hotel School. Our goal is to empower you with practical knowledge, a professional mindset, and the future-ready skills you'll need to succeed. Because understanding how to work with these new AI systems, well, that's becoming absolutely essential for anyone who wants to build a truly successful and thriving career in this industry. So, as we wrap up, I want to leave you with a final thought. Looking ahead, the big question isn't if AI will be part of hospitality. That's a given. The real question is how. How will you, the next generation of hospitality leaders, use these incredibly powerful tools? Not to replace, but to elevate and amplify that one thing that truly defines great service, the human touch. That's the challenge and the opportunity for all of you.